Hi, this is Carl, the Crypto Hound, and in this video I'm going to be taking you through how you can move your Bluewallet to another phone. So you may get a new phone, your old phone's broken. What's really important is that you make a backup of the wallet, and then on your new phone you can then restore it. So there are three parts to this. The first one is going into the wallet, pressing the menu. What you want to do is make an export backup by pressing export backup. The key thing down here is this long code. That is the address securely to your wallet. You can also take a screenshot of this QR code, which you can restore by scanning it on your new phone. Really important here, don't keep this in a public place. Google Drive, Hotmail, any public accounts. If it's on the internet, assume that it can be stolen. Keep it safe. Maybe my suggestion is print it out, keep it in a physical safe. But remember, you are responsible for your finances. So what I've done is I've made a copy of this long address that's below the QR code, and let's go back to the wallet. So now that I've got that, I'm actually now going to delete the wallet. So this will, you can see now that I don't have a Lightning wallet, and so that's the second stage. And then the third stage, assume that I'm on the new phone, is I'm going to create a wallet, but this time instead of clicking on create, I'm going to press import. I already have that code, I've copied it, and now what I'm going to do is enter in that unique code to my wallet that was below the QR code. I press import, success, and there you can see on my new phone I've imported the wallet. So that's how you back up a wallet, delete the wallet, and then restore it to your new phone. I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you next time. Take care, bye.
To help you understand cryptocurrencies and use them in your daily and business life, I write blogs and guides on steemit.com and via my website. If you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrencies in your business or personal life, then get in touch.